Think about your offer and a topic that you can pull out of it. Okay, so I'm just going to go to YouTube. I'm going to type in email marketing. These are things that people already typed in, number one. So these are things that I know people are looking for and searching for. Here's one, 29,000 views. What I'm looking for is what questions do people still have? I use this thing vidIQ because I can come down here and I can say, just show me comments that contain questions, sort by the newest, just so it's like most recent. And we've got 65 comments here. Come down in here and I'm looking for the questions. Do you need a website to start email marketing? Okay, perfect. I could do a piece of content over that. I search that topic on a social media platform and we find the top posts about it. That's what we just did. We convert that post into a breakdown that we can recreate, adding our knowledge to it. I could go in there and break that post down by using the Merlin software over here. It'll summarize this entire video. It just summarizes everything for me. What he's all talking about in here. All of these things right here. Essentially, I could create little posts over short form content. I could turn the whole thing into a long form piece of content. And what I want to do is add my knowledge to it. But in this case, I'm showing you how you can go find questions that still haven't been answered about this. So this person did expert tips for beginners, email marketing secrets, and yet they still have questions down here. These are all post ideas that you can do. You could create them on this platform, YouTube, and go in here and actually say, hey, I answered your question. Here's the YouTube video or the short. Convert that post into a breakdown, find questions that you can answer, and you add your knowledge to it. You're not just recreating what they said. And then you can turn your short form into long form. So the short form videos that you created from that, you could turn into long form or vice versa. You could turn the long form into short form. If the stuff is performing well, you can create emails that go in your email automation. You can create lead magnets from it. If it's really popping, really good, you can create products from it. But these are from things that have shown to perform well. Next thing you want to do is save your best performing posts each week and each month. Go back and find the ones that perform the best and create those into templates that you can keep recreating. As you post all the time, you're going to have 5 to 10 home run topics. For me, landing pages, email, lead magnets, digital product creation, funnels, and VSLs. I can take those topics and I can use the 4 writing styles that I got from Ship 30 for 30. Thank you guys so much. Such a good thing. I can take those 5 home run topics and I can recreate them forever and always and have endless content ideas. I can say, what are the tips, tools, hacks, advice, resources? I could talk about lessons, mistake, reflections. I could talk about trends, numbers, reasons, examples, advice to my past self, fears, failures, struggles. These are the 4 core writing styles that you're going to find in how to, information, personal development. These are the main core writing styles that people use. So you can just keep spinning this wheel like a content flywheel. You can take your home run topics that you found work and you can keep recreating them, bringing in new traffic, bringing in new leads. All you're going to be doing is taking that traffic, then you're going to drive this traffic to your lead magnet, turn those leads into sales, and remember the rule of 1,000. For every 1,000 leads you get, if you have a sales page and you're doing the proper job of selling people, you're going to convert 1 to 5% of the leads that you generate doing this. And then just keep repeating this style and process. Screenshot this, zoom in on it, and use it. Go to makeonce.com.